After watching this video you will be able to understand how to cook frozen fish. Other than actual defrosting, there are a lot of ways to cook frozen fish as if it was fresh. Even when you're in a hurry or want a quick meal, these methods encourage you to miss thawing, giving you creative and exciting mealtime choices. Frozen fish can be cooked without thawing, though it is recommended to cook in a special grilling or pan-searing technique. Check out these options to defrost frozen fish and cook without compromising its health or price. Before having more information about how to cook frozen fish, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Broil the fish. Broiling is a flexible process, but the method is rather simple when it comes to flavors. Cover a broiling pan with foil. This method is optional but makes cleaning quick and easy. Fill the surface of the pan with cooking oil to keep the fish away from sticking. Put the side of the fish down and drop it 5 to 6 inches from the broiling item in the oven. For 5 minutes, leave one side of the fish to cook, then turn and cook the other side of it for another 5 minutes. Transfer the fish fillets to the oven and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes or until it turns opaque and crumbly in the center. A porcelain broiler pan and grid is the perfect kitchen accessory to do all your broiling. It's a quality and affordable piece of kitchenware. Steam the fish. When steaming the fish while it's frozen, you can incorporate it with its taste as it's cooking. However, you should have a big pot and a steamer rack to do this. Just pour a moderate amount of water, vegetable stock or white wine on the pot. Put the steam rack in the pot and place the rinsed frozen fish on the rack. Sprinkle gently with salt and lemon spritz to bring out its flavor. Throughout the process, it will depend on the thickness of the fish and usually, it's going to take about an hour. You want to talk about easy and delicious, using a Cuisinart STM1000 digital glass steamer to cook fish is the way most people prefer if focusing on the health benefits. Grill the fish. Grilling the frozen fish is not much different from cooking fresh or defrosted food. It only takes a little longer but so easy to do, just put it on the grill. You can also coat the fish with olive oil, salt, and grill on the frozen fillet. However, grilling might have its disadvantages like you can't marinate fish in advance. Moreover, as it cooks, you should cover the fish with any of your favorite sauce. If grilling is in your wheelhouse, this Fiskos portable barbecue grill is a new concept for people on the go. Bring it to the fishing hole, camping or to a friend's house, catch and cook. Roast the fish. It's quite easy to roast frozen fish. You can cook a protein-rich meal quickly with just one step. All you have to do is to put the fish in the oven after cleaning it. Spread oil on the fish can handle high heat, such as canola, peanut or olive oil. Place the coated fish on a saucepan that has been added with cooking oil or a sheet of baking foil. Roast the fish for about 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Then for 4 minutes into the process of cooking, season the fish and flip only if thicker cuts are cooked. You can't go wrong with a good old-fashioned roast, so using the Zojirushi America EFVPC 40 fish roaster is the way to do it. How to cook frozen fish. Conclusion. These easy ways to whip up frozen fish will give you comfortable ways to cook in the kitchen. And once you have craved for it, you won't have to panic getting it fresh from the freezer. For more information about how to cook frozen fish, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.